All right, quick gold and silver time. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, silver has actually pulled back over 3% today. Oh my goodness, that's it. The top's in, the market's going down from here. This is just going to keep going down and down and down from here. That's it. All the profit that I made on the silver run is just, I'm at about over 200% return on profit for that with all my trades combined. But that trade, that the money's just gonna go down. This market silver is just gonna keep going down and down and down, and I'm just gonna be broke, and I won't be able to do these videos anymore because I'm just gonna lose all my money. I just can't believe it. I can't believe I've been so wrong on these markets. Oh, you little faith. Oh, some people think I'm going underwater with what I'm doing. Oh, you little faith. So anyway, let's actually go and have a look at the silver. Silver's actually had a really nice pullback. I actually like this pullback. I actually thought that we may start getting a bit of a pausing to run to the high side, but hey, bam, out of nowhere, we're getting some big selling in silver and gold. Now, what has happened with silver is silver's still above this resistance line here, and it's just come back down to that. It's actually right down there right now, and we're getting very close to this resistance line, and this here is also that point through there. And as you can see on this weekly chart, we're very, very, very close to that area where we're likely to get a bounce. So I actually think this is just a nice sell-off, get people thinking this market's going to go down, and I think we're likely to turn it and race back up. That's just what I think. So, and looking at this market, we're just getting a nice, decent pullback, and I think during August, over the next couple of weeks into August, I think we're likely to start breaking up and break above 22 on silver. This is silver up the top here. You see, silver's had a nice pullback there. Now, looking at gold, I did change my trend line a little bit on gold. Let me actually bring up here. Gold had a big pullback. I originally had my trend line here, and as you can see, it did actually continue to break that down there. But now we're actually starting to, if I just bring up this trend line here, if I bring that trend line there, that maybe, you did get a lot of bounces off there, so this may be an area of support. Maybe it's going to come down to the 1300, and even if it does through that, then we're likely to get a bounce, and we're likely to continue up, making this a nice movement to the high side. So, looking on that there, guys, and same with the silver, or same with the gold weekly chart as well. So you can see here on the gold weekly chart, let me delete this trend line here, and you can see here, this is what's happening now. The market's just having a pullback right now towards the 1300 level. Once we get there, guys, we're likely to bounce, and we're likely to hold. We're likely to just continue running up from there. So really, really, really nice where we're at right now, guys. Everything's looking quite nice. Moving to the high side, so that's what we see. Now, moving on to let's actually bring up this chart here, and let's actually bring up the US dollar. The US dollar is still gaining strength, and ever since I did, and I don't know whether this is gonna keep going on or not, but ever since I showed you this peaks and troughs move, you can see that ever since it made this higher peak, higher trough with this several lower peaks, now this higher trough's happening, and now we're actually continuing to run to this high side. So it's really, really, really interesting to see what's happening here with the US dollar. US dollar just keeps rising up and rising up and rising up and rising up. It's very, very interesting to see what's going on there. That's obviously from the weekly chart there, and this is the daily chart here. Again, the markets just continue to rise up and rise up. I'm not sure what's going on with that there, but we will soon see. The Australian dollar actually came up towards its highs, and then we had a bit of a rejection off down. So who knows what's going to happen with the overall Australian dollar. It does look like the Australian dollar has put in a bit of a bottom pattern here. We did make this overall peak and a nice little trough. We've got a good support, so I would expect to see this market continue running up to the high side. Oh man. Running up to the high side. So that's what I do see there, guys, on the on silver, on gold, looking at the Australian market, looking at the US dollar as well too, guys. That's what I see. Let's see and let's wait and see what happens. But I'll tell you right now, guys, this is gonna be just an incredible 5 months. And for you guys that are not positioned properly, I feel sorry for you guys. But for you guys that are listening to me and you get the bigger picture of where I'm at, one, I'm doing really well right now. Definitely not underwater. Big smiles on my face. And secondly, I think it's going to be a very good to end of the year. So anyway, guys, see you soon. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course. And I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.